Proper use of child car seats can prevent injury, even death in the event of a crash, but installing them is a big challenge. Today, local first responders are working to get results. Joining us now to talk car seat safety, Ashley Gibson, Public Information Officer with Orange County Fire Rescue, and Certified Technician with the Orange County Sheriff's Office, Carissa Johns. Thanks for coming in, ladies.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Well, this is a big topic because, you know, these things are heavy-duty equipment, and then it's hard to figure out which one's right for your child, for your vehicle. And then installing it is a science. So that's where you guys come in.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, the best way to ensure that your child is safe in the car is to use the right car seat the right way. And Orange County Sheriff's Office and Orange County Fire Rescue has been partnering to do free car seat inspections for the last 15 years. And these are the experts. They are there to help you install the car seat the right way, teach you the correct way, and they're a great resource.
So what happens? What are some of the most common problems we run into with installing these the right way? And why is it so important that they're in there the right way?
Right. So 4 out of 5 car seats are installed or used incorrectly. So coming through one of the car seat check events that we partner up with and do throughout the community every month is a great way. It's a great way for parents to make sure that their child is riding as safe as possible. Sometimes when it comes to installation, a lot of times people want to use the lower anchors.
Right.
And we can do a quick demo with the lower anchors. And what happens is a lot of times people will want to put the car seat in the middle, and most vehicles aren't compatible with lower anchors in the center.
All right.
So they end up sharing one from one side and one from the other.
Okay.
But if you utilize your outboard seating positions and you install with lower anchors, you just give it a good click. Once you have it installed, the main focus is ensuring that the seat is nice and snug. So with this one, we're just going to put some weight on it. Putting weight on it compresses the vehicle seat and it helps you get the installation a little tighter. And the goal is when you test it,
For it not to move.
Yeah, it's moving the whole car, right? But not the car seat itself. So it's nice and snug. And we always test at the belt path.
And if these things aren't snug enough, we're talking greater impact for the child in the event of a crash.
Absolutely.
So greater chance for injury.
Yeah, when these car seats are used correctly, they can reduce the risk of death by as much as 71%.
So it's important to stop into one of these checkpoints. You have some coming up.
Absolutely. We actually have one going on right now today, but if you can't make it, don't worry. There is another one December 7th at Station 86. You can go on our social media for more information, and that is an open house, so there's something for the whole family at that one.
All right, Station 86, where's that located?
That is on the east side, but you can go to our website. You can call 407-836-8337 and get information and the address for the location.
All right, and so you have these periodically throughout the year. You said several a month.
Yes.
And so this is a great opportunity to, you know, maybe you've been switching the car seat back and forth between vehicles. Maybe your kid graduated to like the booster seat.
Right.
And so you have different issues that come into play when these seats move around or when you change seats.
Right. And this is actually my daughter's car seat. She's 7 years old. So she's outgrown, obviously, the infant car seat. But even these, they're able to help with different types of car seats because according to your child's height, weight, and age, that determines which car seat is the appropriate car seat for them.
Do you run into that a lot where you're telling individuals, you know, the child needs a different seat now?
Sure, absolutely. So at the checkpoint, we're going to check to make sure that not only the car seat's being installed properly, we're making sure that the harnesses are correct on the child so they're riding as safe as they can. We're going to check the expiration date on the car seat. We're going to make sure it isn't recalled. So there's a lot of things that go into it. And then we determine, is this the correct seat for the child? You know, have they outgrown it? Have they maximized the height or weight limit? So we'll help them determine what they need to move into.
Can we talk about rear facing?
Sure.
Because that's, you know, that's something that's fluctuated over the past few years. So where are we right now with the recommendations for rear-facing car seats?
Absolutely. So you're right. Over the years, rear-facing has changed. And we used to tell people, and I've been doing this for about 17 years, so we told people back in the day, once your child was 1, they could turn forward. But now what we're saying is we go along with the American Academy of Pediatrics, and they say rear-face as long as possible. So we've exceeded a year mark. We're going to the rear-facing limits of our car seats.
All right. So this is great information, and it's all about keeping babies safe. So for more information, where do we need to go to get that updated information?
Yeah, so you can go on our Facebook, OC Fire Rescue, or you can go on our website, www.ocfrd.com, or contact Sheriff's Office as well.
Great information. Drive safely.